how to approve, deny, and request vacations as an admin on SoniCloud. You'll want to select Navigate and then Settings, and then select Vacation Mode. On the Vacation Mode options screen, you'll see all requested vacations as well as their status. To approve or deny a vacation, select the vacation. It will tell you which user is requesting it and how long they've requested the vacation for. You can hit approve or deny and leave any additional comments. To request a vacation, you'll select the green Request Vacation button at the top of the screen and then select the start date and end date of your vacation. You can also leave any additional comments on the vacation. You can also select which admin you'd like to notify about your vacation. If you are an admin yourself, you can select the Self-Approving Vacation button. Once approved, you'll be able to see your requested vacation at the top of the list.